All right.
Hi, everyone. My name is Kimberly. Welcome to our Industry Partner Spotlight with Express Employment Professionals. We are so excited to have Rachel here with us today to tell you more about Express and the industry certifications they offer. So, Rachel, I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to you.
Thank you so much. I'm excited to be with you guys today. Thanks for spending your time. All righty, let's get started then. My name is Rachel, and I am from Express Employment Professionals. Express was founded in 1983 and fosters an environment to help people find jobs and support our vision of helping as many people as possible find good jobs and helping as many companies as possible find good people. We've made a long-term commitment to put 1 million people to work annually. And when businesses grow, that means more people are employed and more companies are finding the workers they need. So Express has 2 certifications that I wanted to share with you today: our Business Office Technology Certification and the Career Preparedness Certification. We're really excited about the support that both of these certifications lend our business and job seekers as they enter the community. The Express Business Office Technology Certification provides a basic understanding of technology in the workplace and the ethical use of technology. The Career Preparedness Certification validates a basic understanding of the workplace and how to enter a job successfully, including how to apply for work, interview, and create a career path. Let's take a look at each of these certifications, and then I'll tell you a little bit more about Express. Individuals who earn the Express Business Office Technology Certification will have a basic understanding of word processing, spreadsheets, databases, and digital presentations. They should also know appropriate and ethical workplace communication and application uses. Individuals with these skills are more prepared to embrace existing digital procedures within the workplace and have a great foundational understanding of commonly used business operating software. This core knowledge is also helpful in learning new software programs as they become essential in the workplace. And if there's one thing the last few months have taught us, it's how essential office technology is in communicating with others and being able to adapt and use new technology quickly. So jobs that might be related to the certification could include roles in customer service, technical support, and data entry. The Career Preparedness Certification validates a basic understanding of the workplace and how to enter a job successfully, including how to apply for work, interview, and build that career path, as I said earlier. Individuals should consider earning the Express Career Preparedness Certification to give them an overall picture of choosing a career, understand how to look for and get a job, and gain insights into workplace regulations and standards. This will help them have a good understanding of what type of career that they're looking for and the type of work-life balance they want to create with that career. One of the reasons Express created the Career Preparedness Certification was because of the increase in the age of people getting their first job. In the 1980s, more than 57% of people between 16 and 19 worked, compared to now only about 35% of teens are working. With people waiting longer to enter the workforce, the need to offer career preparedness training increased. I'm sure in the classroom you've seen that some of the job skills you're teaching in the classroom are really just that, being taught in the classroom, as students don't have jobs as often as they did in the 80s. The value of the Career Preparedness Certification is twofold, both for the individual certified and the company hiring them. For those certified, the understanding of how to navigate the employment process and successfully enter the workforce brings added confidence to a typically stressful procedure. For the businesses, hiring someone with this certification should advance the onboarding process and add the additional benefit of an individual that understands workplace standards. So sometimes if your students aren't able to gain these skills by having a job, this certification can help give them that exposure so that when they do get their first job, they're up and running even faster. The main benefit of obtaining the Express Career Preparedness Certification is that the skills gained through the certification should help that individual select a career that's the best match for their education, employability, and talents. By understanding the building blocks of selecting a career, attaining the skills for the career, and the process for successfully entering the workforce, this certification sets someone up for success no matter what field they're going into. Within Express and out in the communities that we serve, there are a variety of ways that we promote awareness of our certifications. Within our franchise network, we share the certifications with the franchisees themselves, along with the support of ICEV, who does a great job in reaching out to our owners and has actually been able to attend some of our conferences to network with our owners. Hopefully we'll all be back out networking with each other very soon. We also have information about the certifications on our external website, expresspros.com, as well as our internal website that we use to communicate, our intranet site. We feature information about the certifications, how the local franchisees can get involved, and how the offices can connect with schools or ICV in their community. Occasionally, we do use our newsletters and different communication points to remind our franchisees about the opportunity through the certifications and then connecting with their local schools as well. So if you are wondering how to connect with Express, I have a few tips for you and a few things to consider in working perhaps with your local Express office. So I've mentioned that Express is franchised, and that means that each office is locally owned and operated. So everything is a little bit different because you're working with the local business owner. But for example, our McAllen and Corpus Christi, Texas offices have participated in teacher trainings to share information about our certifications and discuss the importance of skill certification exams. And they were also able to participate in presentations of the certifications that have been earned. So individual offices, their capabilities may vary, but they might be able to conduct mock interviews with your students, host a resume workshop and critique for your students, perhaps, like I said, attend the presentation of your certifications that have been earned and present them to the students, or they might be able to offer recruiting material from their office that you could share with parents or students within your school that are over 18. Express never charges a fee to job seekers, and we might be able to help people within your community find work. Express headquarters supports the development and promotion of our certifications, and your local franchise just might not always remember the certifications are available. Remember, I said earlier, there's 800 franchises and I work for our corporate headquarters. So I'm always advocating awareness of the program, but it could be something that hasn't reached their market yet. So if your local franchise isn't aware of the certification, there is information on expresspros.com/certifications. Or they can always call us here at Express headquarters, and we support our franchisees in marketing and making great use of all of our programs. Our franchisees do vary in the years that they've been open and the staff that they have, so they all have a different infrastructure to offer support in your community. So while one office may be able to spend quite a bit of time in your classroom, other offices might just be able to come out initially to do certification presentations until they can get someone on their staff that really has the bandwidth to do more with your students if that's something you're interested in. So it really can vary by office. So I appreciate you letting me share a little bit about our 2 certifications and how they can help your students enter the workforce, both from a preparedness standpoint as well as a technology standpoint. I do want to share a little bit with you about Express. As I mentioned, we do have more than 800 locations, and those are located in the US, Canada, and South Africa. The majority of our offices are in the United States. And as part of a franchise network, I did say we're locally owned and operated, which allows us to be great community members because it's a business that is locally owned in the community and they have a vested interest in the success of your community, which oftentimes includes the schools as well through different sponsorship programs and things like promoting our certifications and working with the schools in that way. So the type of work that people can find through Express, we recruit for office services positions, light industrial, skilled trades, and professionals. So, oftentimes we say from the warehouse to the corner office, we'll help you find the workforce you need. Office services positions, for reference, this includes things like customer service, call center, office managers, executive assistants, and data entry. Within light industrial, some of the positions we support are assemblers, welders, machine operators, shipping and receiving, warehouse workers, and machinists. And within skilled trades, again, machinists, lathe operator, welders, mechanics, pipe fitters, millwrights. So, and then into professional, we staff in all areas: accounting, which has been very popular this summer, finance, IT, engineering, manufacturing, sales, marketing, legal, advertising, all those areas. So no matter, kind of like that career preparedness certification, I said it works for everybody. Express can help everybody find work as well. So we work with more than 83,000 companies, and last year in 2019, we put to work more than 500,000 people. I'm excited I was able to spend just a few minutes with you today to share more about our Business Office Technology Certification and Career Preparedness Certification. Express really believes that these certifications are just one way to address the skills gap and increase workforce participation. So anything that we can do in our communities to help people get on the right path for careers that are available for them, we're happy to help and excited to have this opportunity to share this with you today. And I think at this time, I'm gonna turn things back over so let's do that now.
All right, well, thank you so much, Rachel. We loved hearing more about Express and learning more about the certifications. For anyone that wants to participate in our Q&A, you can follow the link below and we will see you there.
At Express Employment Professionals, our vision is to help as many people as possible find good jobs by helping as many clients as possible find good people. A central part of achieving this vision is the Express Employment Professionals Business Office Technology Certification and the Career Preparedness Certification. We created these certifications to ensure individuals at any stage of their educational or professional career are ready to enter the world of work.
Express Employment Professionals conducts an ongoing job insight survey to track quarterly hiring trends across a wide range of industries, including skilled trades. Consistently, one of the top hiring segments is skilled labor, and employers continue to struggle to find the right mix of experience and expertise. In the past year, about 75% of business leaders say it's either somewhat difficult or very difficult to recruit for and fill their open positions.
Available on the ICEV testing platform, these certifications address hiring difficulties by helping employers identify qualified applicants who possess the knowledge and skills needed to be a successful employee.
Annually, Express works closely with tens of thousands of companies to help them find qualified workers. We take great responsibility in sharing what we've learned about evaluating and ensuring the right skills in the workforce.